Right, so I want to make myself a little cargo thing. I seen them online, they're like $300, and I ain't paying that for something that's just can be made out of metal. So let's see what we can come up with. What do we think for a size here that I'm cover all places in the world? I'm thinking like 15 inches or 400 mil, something like that. Like how far out? If I can get it to go. Right, so here's what I'm thinking, right? 1 foot, pretty simple stuff. 1 foot, 2 feet. Voila. I'll drill some holes or cut something to make it look like it's a legit thing. Easy peasy. I don't know what the brackets underneath are going to be a wee bit more tricky, but we'll start with this. I don't know, that even might be too big, but I want to get something as a visual, so let's do that. I quickly came to the conclusion I don't have any metal that's going to fit that, but I do have this that I've kind of cut up already, but it should work. This is my plan for the deck. This ramp. It's knackered and I only have one. I think I'm going to cut like this whole channel up there. That's my thinking right now. Then these wee holes, I can whack my ratchet strap or bungee cord through that. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So let me cut this. Right, now we got that cut. A wee wire wheel, bit of paint, welder on. Job's a good one. Or at least we'll find out in a second here. Right, so check it out now. It looks half decent. Just need a wee coat of primer, bit of black. And yeah, she's getting there, baby. So for my kind of supports coming off like the back of the quad to hold the little platform, I've got these old struts. So I'm going to cut into it. It might not be wise, but I'm going to. So let's see what happens when you cut into a strut. Wish me luck with that one. What kind of gas is in this? Do not open, do not heat. High pressure. Oh yeah. Listen. She's leaking. Oh well, not high pressure anymore. Look, 2 perfect little tubey things. Now what I need to do, I think I'm gonna like do a cut that there, and then when it's look, let me show you. Right, so once I cut that wee half moon, it'll then hug that. Voila! We're doing something right, I think. I hope so, because I'm deep in it now. I just cut struts up. These are gonna go on like so. Let's stay there. It almost clicks in, it's that good. This one on there, the other one, you get the idea. Right, so just need to drill a couple of holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. Got them drilled. That's gonna go on there. That's gonna go there. Dave left me all his bolts. Big mistake, because I'm gonna use them. Nice shiny gold bolt, thanks Dave. So what have we got here? Perfect. Slot these on through and see how it holds. I think it's going to be meaty. Right, so let's get this in here. Is it big enough? Yes, it is. Perfect. 1, 2. Come on, catch the thread. Fit. Yes, there we go. Just finger tight for now. Right, so there we go. She's on. And solid. So far, we have exceeded expectations. So let's keep that up. So that's going to sit up there like that. I'll pull this right back so that's like flush. I had to like kind of groove out here so it'll match that circle, but we're getting somewhere. It's close. I don't know if you can hear that, but that obviously still had some pressure. Whoops. Ah well, it doesn't anymore. Right, so we got that welded up, and it is solid. All I need to do now, take it off, wee coat of paint. Look at that. I'm chuffed with that. I don't care if it's not level. I can just strap something to it on its squint. Perfect, job done. I think that's me done. Have a look. What do you think? Look very military looking. But I'm happy with that. Strap my bag to that wee flask. Happy days. So yeah, thanks for watching this episode, guys. About to get the BMW started. I got actually an episode in the works right now, so should be coming out within the next week or two, so keep your eye open for that. So subscribe down below, comment, like, do all of that, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.